Guys, it's John Ryan Magalona here, a dental technology student, and today I'll take you with me as I fabricate a temporary jacket crown using the indirect technique. This technique is super useful in clinical and lab practice, and it's great for building your hand skills and understanding of fixed prosthodontics. So what is the indirect technique? Basically, we build up the crown in wax first, then use a matrix impression, I'm using Alginate, to form the crown in acrylic. In this case, I built up a total of 6 units, 1 incisor, 1 second molar, and a fixed bridge. Here's the finished wax buildup. I'll make a separate vlog just for that process, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about the materials you'll need for fabricating the temporary crown. Impression tray, 2 packs of Alginate, plaster bowl and spatula, color guard, separator, self-cure acrylic powder and liquid, dappen dish, carver or spatula, polishing tools, green rubber, white stone, pumice, brushes. First, check if your cast fits properly with the tray. Make sure the tray covers all the wax patterns. Mix your alginate, smooth, no bubbles, and load it into the tray. Press it down gently to capture the full shape, then let it set. After setting, remove the cast. Now you have a negative copy of your wax-up. Next, apply color guard to the abutment teeth. This acts as a separator so the acrylic crown can be removed easily later on. I applied it twice, just to be sure. Now we'll prepare the self-cure acrylic resin. Pour the powder and liquid into a dappen dish and mix gently. I use the flowy technique, meaning I apply the resin before it becomes doughy. If you wait too long, it gets hard to work with, and you might trap air bubbles. Place the flowy resin into the alginate matrix, then wait a few seconds until it starts to get a little firm before you insert the cast. Make sure you already remove the wax patterns from the abutments before inserting the cast, otherwise the acrylic won't seat properly. Press the cast into the matrix with care. Remove excess resin and let it fully set. Here's the result. Let's start trimming the temporary crowns. Remove excess resin, check for bubbles, and repair them if needed. Then check the margins. Avoid overhanging or short margins. The crown should fit exactly to the preparation margin. Time to polish. I use this sequence. Green rubber for initial shaping, white stone to refine the surface, pumice with soft brush to smooth it out, white wheel brush for polishing without damaging the anatomy, umbrella brush with blue shine for the final gloss finish. You can also use dishwashing liquid to clean off the dust and debris. And that's it, guys! Here's the final result, our self-cure temporary jacket crowns made using the indirect matrix technique. This method is fast, reliable, and gives a pretty good temporary restoration. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dental tech vlogs. Got questions? Drop them below. I'll try to answer everything. Thank you for watching, and please follow for more.